In the popular imagination, artificial intelligence often conjures images of robots with feelings and futuristic scenarios, straight out of the science fiction. However, the reality of AI today is far more nuanced and impactful than this Hollywood portrayal suggests. While AI indeed draws inspiration from human brain functions, its essence lies in its artificiality. It doesn't seek to replicate biology, but rather harness the computational power to solve complex problems. Before delving deeper, it is crucial to grasp some fundamental concepts about interacting with AI algorithms. An AI algorithm, also referred as a model, serves as a tool to tackle a particular problem. This model comes in various forms, each with its unique approach and application. Some commonly used AI algorithms include neural network, support vector machine, Bayesian network, and hidden Markov models, all of which will be explored in my subsequent lessons. Central to the practice of AI is the ability to represent problems effectively to an AI program, as this forms the cornerstone of interacting with an AI algorithm. To lay a solid foundation in this realm, it is essential to examine how the human brain interacts with its environment, a journey that will illuminate the intricacies of AI problem solving.